How to preserve time zone when parsing date/time strings with strptime? I have a CSV dump file from a BlackBerry IDE backup, created using IDE-dump. The date/time strings in here look something like this, where Est is an Australian time zone. I need to be able to parse this date in Python. At first, I tried to use the strptime function from datetime. However, for some reason, the datetime object that comes back doesn't seem to have any info associated with it. I did read on this page that apparently datetime.strptime silently discards info. However, I checked the documentation, and I can't find anything to that effect documented here. Is there any way to get strptime to play nicely with time zones?
The datetime module documentation says, return a datetime corresponding to date_string, parsed according to format. This is equivalent to datetime, time.strptime date_string, format 0:6. See that, 0:6? That gets you, year, month, day, hour, minute, second. Nothing else. No mention of time zones. Interestingly, when XBSB2, Python 2.6, 2.7, passing your example to time.strptime doesn't work, but if you strip off the %c and the est it does work. Also using UTC or GMT instead of est works. PSD and MES don't work. Puzzling. It's worth noting this has been updated as of version 3.2 and the same documentation now also states the following. When the %c directive is provided to the strptime method, an aware datetime object will be produced. The info of the result will be set to a time zone instance. Note that this doesn't work with %c, so the case is important. See the following example.
I recommend using Python dateutil. Its parser has been able to parse every date format I've thrown at it so far. And so on. No dealing with strptime format nonsense. Just throw a date at it, and it does the right thing.
Since strptime returns a datetime object which has info attribute, we can simply replace it with desired time zone.
Your time string is similar to the time format in RFC 2822, date format in email, HTTP headers. You could parse it using only stlib. See solutions that yield time zone aware datetime object for various Python versions, parsing date with time zone from an email. In this format, est is semantically equivalent to 0500. Though, in general, a time zone abbreviation is not enough to identify a time zone uniquely.
If you want a memory, play attention figure subshading.